Amin. Today, I'm going to present the objective of a home electricity energy audit. First objective is assessing present pattern of energy consumption in a house. This is to evaluate the customary ways of homeowners' electricity usage pattern. The second objective is underlying wastage in major areas. This objective set to be aware of electricity wastage and design solutions to overcome this issue. The third objective is implementation of measures of energy conservation and realization of saving electricity energy. This is to give consciousness and awareness of saving electricity to the homeowner so that they can cut down the unused power and save money. That's all. Next, I'm going to present the type of energy audit. There are three types of energy audit, that is walkthrough audit, energy diagnosis, and investment grade audit. The first type of energy audit is walkthrough audit. Walkthrough audit involves a house visiting that we audit to observe, survey, and collecting data. The data that we are going to collect will be in both qualitative and quantitative form. The second type of energy audit is energy diagnosis. Energy diagnosis involves economic calculation that is energy balance and a list of energy efficiently measured derived from performance of building facility. The third type of energy audit is investment grade audit. Investment grade audit is a quantitative study with detailed investment, operational and maintenance costs, and analysis of investment model. That's all. Thank you.
For the overview of energy audit on electrical system, means which technical energy audit, a detailed evaluation of the actual performance of a facility, energy using equipment, benchmark against the design performance level of the industry. For the energy audit planning begins with making a commitment to energy conservation. Multiple levels of a business must be involved and dedicated to making the entire audit process a priority. An audit team is formed from the personnel of different departments. A relatively small group, such as 3 to 5 employees, is tasked with the bulk of audit work. An energy audit includes more than just taking measurements. In order for the measurements to be useful, they must be part of a systematic procedure to identify and implement the most cost-effective energy conservation program. Thank you.
I am going to present defining the audit criteria. Audit criteria is a set of policy, procedure, or requirement. Audit criteria are used as a reference against which audit evidence is compared when requirements are used as audit criteria. Auditor often use the term conformity and non-conformity to indicate whether or not requirements are being met. However, when legal requirements are used as audit criteria, auditor tends to use the term compliance and non-compliance instead of conformity and non-conformity. For example, during the audit of ISO 9001 in 2008, standard the requirement of ISO 9001 in 2008 become the audit criteria. The audit criteria can also be used as personal performance indicator and be built into the job description. They can also be used to audit system frequency and training and assessment of new employees during probation period. In compiling the report, the content below should provide the proof like description of the business driver, description of the current and requirement management functionality, definition of measure criteria to measure users and another. And the last one, audit criteria could be a combination of the following. First is the ISO requirement, example ISO 9001, ISO 27001, and ISO 14001. The second is the statutory or regulatory requirement. Third one is the organization process, policy, or the procedure. And the last one is the customer requirement.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adam Yusizal. My part is defining the audit scope. What is audit scope? Audit scope is defined as the amount of time and document that are involved in the auditing. The reason we do audit scope is to know how deeply the auditing is performed. Based on our situation, we want to estimate the electricity energy in a year at the house that we are chosen. We also want to know how much the electricity that has been used in their homes, where their home is losing the electricity energy, and which area that has the problem, and we want to fix it to make their home more efficiency and reduce their bills. Next, study scope of the audit. First, to describe the area covered in electrical energy audit activities such as electric system, air conditioning system, and other electrical equipment. Second, to list all the electrical equipment that has in the house. And third, to calculate electric energy that has been used in a year. We will calculate the electrical bill in 1 year, and from that we will make the analysis and to know which area in the house that use more electrical energy and losing their electric energy. And lastly, implementing energy efficiency technology and reduce the homeowners annual utility bills.
Assalamualaikum. My part of presentation is selecting of electricity energy auditing. For I describe about my auditing a little bit. So Yao Jeremy is purpose and planning manager. Me, the collecting data manager. So Tan Yi Q is analysis and collected manager. And Adam is a monitoring and action manager, and last is Ainur is a reporting manager. Okay. Continue for my part of presentation is preparing of audit checklist. For the audit checklist, I get in the house. I identify the all item electrical in the house, such as hair clipper, TV, decoder Wi-Fi, decoder Astro, kitchen fan, printer, such like and many more. So in the checklist audit, we get more item like high kilowatt. Yes, thank you. Okay, so this our checklist. For our checklist, we divide several area, such as living room, bedroom, dining room, master bedroom, kitchen. So and also in the table, we put the time use of the item, and also about a brand, and also what date of the install, and also how many kilowatt the item use. Okay, so that's all that my part. Thank you.